What is the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs up to in Punjab? Because according to our information coming in, Arvind Kejriwal wants to have a meeting at the soonest with AAP MLAs, where of course the party is in government. We are told after the historic defeat in Delhi Assembly elections, party convener Arvind Kejriwal has called a meeting of all Punjab MLAs, all ministers in Delhi tomorrow, which means not in Punjab. All of them will have to be present in the national capital. But this comes also after a claim by Congress leaders, remember, as Pratap Singh Bajwa had said, that AAP MLAs are in touch with Congress. Big news coming in, that is the Aam Aadmi Party, at least, if not in a crisis already, ensuring that they don't face a crisis in the one state where they are presently in government. Remember, till now it was two, Delhi and Punjab, having been defeated in Delhi, trying to save Punjab here on. Kamaljeet Sandhu is tracking all the latest on that. Kamaljeet, good morning. I find it interesting how the Congress party is also jumping into these muddied waters, saying there are AAP MLAs in touch with us. What is your assessment? What do you think is happening, and does Kejriwal want to firefight before this turns into a blaze?
See, after a resounding defeat in Delhi, there have been concerns which have been raised regarding the Aam Aadmi Party's functioning in Punjab. Now, as far as the figures go, they have 92 out of 117. So this is a majority. So even if 20 MLAs, some of them who had crossed over from Congress to the Aam Aadmi Party just about 2 years ago, if they even go back, that really doesn't put Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab on a shaky ground. But in a very symbolic sense, things coming down for Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab as well. So that's their entire messaging. Once upon a time, it was said to be an Indie alliance. But right now, it seems that Aam Aadmi Party is at the crossroads, and it is Congress party which is trying to steal the thunder. So in particular sense, there could be certain MLAs, and this is something which has been time and again spelled out by Congress leadership, including Pratap Singh Bajwa and the likes of others, that they've been in touch. But with Congress' own dwindling numbers, things really don't look positive. See, earlier also, when Aam Aadmi Party had come in, they had actually talked about Operation Lotus, about how BJP was trying to destabilize them. And in a charge which they have put against Congress party, saying they are the B team of BJP. So all this actually comes into a certain picture.
And does the Congress party sense an opportunity here, Kamaljeet, at least to just create a rift, even if there is none right now? And thank you for tracking all the latest and most.